Hey, it's Sam here, and in this video, I'll be building and reviewing the MoeeTech Glitter65 R2 Ultra. It's a 65% keyboard that features a seamless integrated CNC case with a drawer type structure. Previously, I've reviewed the R1 and the R2 is the more improved version. The keyboard will be in group buy with a price of $150 for the Pro version and $180 for the Ultra version. And I also have a special discount code in the description if you are interested. Included in the box is a free MoeeTech branded bag which is quite decent in quality and looks kinda nice to be honest. There will also be a free ruler included which looks something like this. And of course the keyboard kit is also included here. So for the case, I have the anodized purple color here. The case uses this integrated design so there is no visible seams on the case. It's also CNC aluminum with this rounded edge that seamlessly wraps around to the back. The front looks like this with the cutout for the RGB light bar, and the back has all of the cutouts for the ports in the middle as you can see. The bottom has 4 rubber feet and the MoeeTech logo CNC'd into the case. Not only that, there's also the stopper for the drawer type structure and the PCB and daughterboard with the acrylic drawer. The PCB is 5-pin hot swap and is now 1.2mm in thickness, and the flex cuts make it really flexible. The daughterboard is the same with the 2 USB pass-through ports and an SD card reader here. For the fittings, there's some MoeeTech stickers included, the screws for the stopper, the cable for the daughterboard and PCB, a piece of pre-cut pour-on case foam, and a silicone holder for the switches. So starting off the build, I'll be installing the stabilizers first. Here I'm using the TXAP 1.2mm clip-on stabilizers for the PCB. And I have added some Krytox XHT BDZ to get rid of the wire rattle. I really like these stabilizers as they are easy to install, they just clip onto the PCB and there's no need to fiddle around with screws. With the stabilizers done, the PCB can now be connected to the daughterboard with this cable included. The cable attaches like this from the daughterboard over here to the piece over here on the PCB. This is a big improvement from the previous use of ribbon cables in my opinion, as this is much more easier to use. After that, the pour-on foam can go in under the PCB and the stopper for the drawer can be screwed into place with 4 of these golden screws included. Now the final step is to slide this whole assembly into the case. It should slide in easily as the clearance is now better than before. With everything installed correctly, the case can be screwed together and the silicone for the switches can go on top of the PCB. Alright, now time for the switches and keycaps. For the switches, I'm using the MMD Princess Switch. It's a 5-pin linear switch with an operating force of 38 grams, has a 20.4 extended spring inside, and comes tightly looped from the factory. As for the keycaps, I went with the Aifei Amethyst double shot ABS keycaps. I genuinely was just looking for something to match with the case, and the color here is surprisingly similar as you can see. So with everything installed, here is the Glitter65 R2 fully built. With the keycaps and switches, the total weight is around 1.8 kilograms or 3.9 pounds. Now you can finally see the RGB light bar on the front and it looks really nice to be honest. It's very bright and saturated and even comes with a few RGB effects pre-programmed already. Here you can see a few examples as I cycle in between them. As for the typing feel, the PCB is gasket mounted, and when you combine it with the flex cuts, it provides a soft and flexible experience. And from my testing, this feels quite nice for typing and gaming. Anyways, that was the keyboard. Now please enjoy the typing sound test. Okay, here are my final thoughts on the MoeeTech Glitter65 R2. After using and testing the keyboard, I really like the seamless integrated case, the RGB light bar on the front, and especially the SD card reader because I use it every day as a content creator. So if you're looking for a different and unique 65% keyboard, you might want to check out the group buy for the MoeeTech Glitter65 R2. The link for the keyboard will be in the description below with the special discount code I have for you as well. And that does it for this video. Thanks to MoeeTech for the keyboard and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.